The other tool to repair to flush the pipe with plenty pressure because capillary was clogged, burns. I had to break out to take out the fitting, and the piece of pipe get pasted anyway in the plastic. I break out the tip because burns, and now I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna do it better with high pressure pipe. Anyway, must be checking the pressure. I did it very thin, and now have a piping like this. I bought the new fitting. I'm gonna put it in the middle. Anyway, I wanna put this fitting in the middle. To see the complete assembly, you have to see the previous video. This didn't get broken. It's the same as the first one. Then I weld this that I took out from here, and I'm gonna put it in the new tip, and I'm gonna assemble this. Same as the previous, very tight, the whole knit, and pass it through and expand it with the plier. Now I expand it with the plier again. Now this don't come out. Take out the plier and tight it well, the cone, to lock in the cap. Very lock the cone of the piping in the plastic. Sandpaper the pipe, very tight the cone in the plastic, sandpaper the plastic too. Enough glue inside, taking care and don't leave glue in by the walls. And leave it 5 minutes. By the meantime, I cut the piping in the half, and I'm gonna put this joint in the middle as reinforcement. Sandpaper all outside to don't leave the plastic bright, and prepare more epoxy glue to join it. Glue outside and inside, all around, and now paste it. The rest of glue to start to put glue in the top. You have to have enough glue, plenty glue, because when you tie the hose, if don't, can be lose it out for the torque. So have to have plenty, some layer. I put the first layer, and I'm gonna put another layer when the pipe inside is hard. The other side of the piping and the next layer of glue. Now the tip with the screw, with the thread, and have to put the bottom, and that's it. I want to put a more layer of glue here. Now the last layer, I put it fresh, and I turn it, and I put it down like this to down over the pipe. You see? And then I roll it until it gets hard to make it like a cone until it gets hard. Moving like this, and moving like this to level it like working with glass. And like this get strong. And if you tie the hose, you will not have problem. Now it's hard enough. It's getting white. And now the last page. If some glue reach the wall, because you made a mistake and touch the wall while pasting it. With a knife, scratch all the glue from the wall before pasting. Ready. Clean all around to don't permit, don't reach the end of the pipe, the fitting when it's getting paste. Now it's sanded too. And the last paste ready. Have to getting dry and ready. Enough have to be getting dry until it get white. Enough glue to hold the piping, or glue, stronger pipe, a reinforcement in the middle, and also can be changed as the other one. The liquid here, remember that flammable liquid and air in pressure is a problem and can explode and not burst. This burns because it was pressure of only pressure, but don't mix flammable liquid with air because it's an explosive mixture. So if you don't know if the capillary is clogged, first use waste air 124, non-flammable gas and nitrogen, and try to flush it with it. When the piping is free, then to wash it out you can use air. But I'm checking the pressure with a manometer, but no the mixing in high pressure flammable liquid and air is not convenient. So it's better waste a little bit of gas and be sure that this is not a flammable, an explosive mixture. And that's it. This will receive plenty pressure with the reinforcement in the middle and have plenty plastic all around, and gonna flush plenty system. And remember, always plug the liquid to flush and use a non-flammable gas. It can be carbonic anhydride, it can be nitrogen, can be the air 134E. When it's flushing, after you free the piping, the next cleaning can be using air without problem because don't gonna have pressure to dry it out and take out all the rest of alcohol or whatever you use. You can use dry air, but not as a start.